Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to claim Shopee insurance. So this method is also the same on your mobile. So first up, open up your Shopee app or Shopee account on browser, and then click on Help right here at the top of your screen. Now here, just have to search for this word Shopee Insurance FAQs, and then you'll find this link. So click on it. So you'll find all the details about Shopee Insurance. If we're going to select what is Shopee Insurance, as you can see, you have three options: accident insurance, health insurance, and item protection. So, item protection keeps your Shopee purchase safe from accidental or liquid damages. So, to buy insurance on Shopee, just go to homepage, then select finance icon, and then here you can basically select for insurance. So, you can select item protection to make sure your item or parcel will save until you receive this. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.